In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in GoodDay. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a user is a significant action. Make sure you really want to remove this person from your organization's workspace and confirm that you have the proper permissions, usually as an admin or organization owner. First, go ahead and log into your GoodDay account and open your main workspace. On the lower left side of the screen, you'll see your profile area. This usually includes your avatar or initials. Click on that profile icon. This is your entry point to your personal settings as well as your organization level settings. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Organization Settings and click it. This takes you out of your personal view and into the administration area for your entire company or team. If you don't see this option, you may not have sufficient permissions, and you might need to ask an administrator to perform the deletion. Once you're in Organization Settings, you'll see several sections and configuration options. Scroll down through this page until you find the area related to users and access. Take your time here so you don't accidentally change other organizational settings. As you scroll, look for the section called Company Users and click on it. This section contains the full list of users who belong to your organization in GoodDay. Here, you can see everyone who has access, along with their roles and statuses. Now, from the list of users, locate the person you want to remove. It can help to use any search or filtering options if they're available, especially if your organization has a long user list. Once you find the correct user, click on their name to open their user details. Double check that you've selected the right account, especially if multiple users have similar names. In the user details view, look toward the lower left area of the screen for the delete option. When you see it, click on delete. GoodDay will usually display a confirmation prompt to make sure this isn't an accidental click. Carefully read the message, then confirm that you want to proceed. After you confirm, the user will be removed from your company's GoodDay account. Their access will be revoked, and they'll no longer be able to log in under your organization. That's all you need to do to delete a user in GoodDay, from opening your profile menu to confirming the deletion.